Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to edit a TikTok video on CapCut. So this is actually simple. First, open your TikTok account and simply head over to your profile to access the video that you want to edit on CapCut, or you can easily create new as well. Click on this plus icon in the center and simply record a video, just like so let me snap a video. Actually, this is actually image. All right, so we got our video over here. Yep, so this looks pretty good. Now what we need to do is simply export this or download this, or you can easily save it, and then what we need to do is simply head over to our CapCut and we can edit this. You can see we have our own editor as well, but we can edit this in CapCut as well. So basically this is how we can save this video and edit in CapCut. I hope this is going to be helping. See you in the next video.